Hi guys. The questions about Wayland will probably never cease, but it's entirely up to you guys to develop it yourself. There is a mid-ground, that is, use CachyOS. We have the kernel from CachyOS. We have the repo from CachyOS, which means we have Hyprland from CachyOS. We have the repo package, right? Package from Niri from CachyOS. So let's show you this one as well. The other video is already on there. So this is basically a pure Kiro thing. Let's make this full screen, which is here. No, XFCE, never Wayland. You know the drill. Control T, update first, check everything is in. Realize, oh my god, I will never be able to install anything CachyOS like, because there is no CachyOS, right? There is no line that says CachyOS. It says called KOR, NAMS, repo, extra, and core, which is all fine, but not fine. So we need to address that. But first we need to be able to click actually. Let's see if we can reboot first. It was unclickable for a moment. QEMU, my friend. And installing Wayland on virtual machines, VirtualBox, QEMU alike, may be some kind of challenge. So we'll see. Hyprland was working fine. So let's see if this is functioning too. Control-Alt-E. I launch the Tweak Tool. Go to Pacman. Where will I shop it? The packages in the CachyOS repo. Done. All right, it's up to date. The catalog is in. The book is in. Now you can select whatever you want. Control-T. Sudo Pacman -S. CachyOS what? Okay. There's a lot of things. There's also the kernel manager I now see. My eye just fell on it. Not literally, but voila, we have now our task ahead. Two choices. We can't install them both. They conflict, so it's two videos in. Okay, so let's start with the basics, which is then less themed actually, and design anyway. The Niri settings. And then that's it. Now it's up to you to decide which one you have to take, depending on your machine and the behavior afterwards. You can always switch around, but normally, generally speaking, right, it's always the default, the number one. So then we get these conflicts. If you see this, you tell me, this is normal, right? This is okay. This is me working. This is me saying, if you want to install CachyOS Niri settings, then the other one needs to go. There's a conflict in files. I have to do that, otherwise you don't see this. So if you don't see this, then you tell me. Yes, basically .files out, Niri settings take over, right? It's no longer a system from Kiro. It is overwritten. This is what is in the package. So they decide that the awesome terminal fonts are necessary. They're going for the B menu. Brightness CTL is in there. Alacrity config from Kiro is gone, right? There is a node theme that's now going to be installed. All these things are decisions, not mine, but CachyOS decisions. And I see some Plasma things, which is normal because they have Plasma, right? But none of those we have control over. That's CachyOS who decides. And Niri is here. They decide to go for the file manager Nautilus. We take Thunar. Mako is there. Okay. Sway background, set your wallpaper, the lock is there, fancy lock, nice. And away bar is basically at the bar at the top. Logging out is done like this. There's Wofi instead of Rofi. And then we have CachyOS Niri settings. So all of this is basically telling, get all that, okay? So it's no longer Niri. I want you to realize, don't come asking questions, right? It's not Niri anymore. You're on your own. Once you go to Wayland, you're on your own and you have to figure it out. Now, let's see if we can get something going either two options. In the previous video on Hyprland, I did not do that, so maybe I should do it here. You can, of course, stay here and then investigate what do I have on Hyprland. So super E, Sublime Text is installed. Move this over here. I'm a little bit a tiling guy, a little bit much. So Hyprland is not here because it's another virtual machine, but Niri is, I hope. Where are you, Niri? There is no Niri file, is there? Control-Alt-Skel, that's something we do have. It copy-pastes everything over from skel to your home directory. Is it now here? Because most of these things need to have a folder, right? It's common sense if you work this long on Linux and on tiling window managers, right? It's hidden in etc skel. Once you create a user, that bunch of things in etc skel will be given to the next new user, right? So in mid installation like this, we need to get the code for the Niri folder and all the rest. In the meantime, everything is overwritten, right? And it's okay because we have backups. There's a backup, right? Whatever was in there, there's a copy. So Niri is in here, and what I wanted to say is in the video earlier on with Hyprland, just drop hyper, a folder in there, and read before you start, right? If you already see layout US, no, layout BA, right? Belgian keyboard, AZERTY keyboard, use the German keyboard layout, that's DE German, right? It's our neighbor. Save. Numlock is on, it doesn't say, doesn't need to say. So this means it's on. If I want it off, I have to type off. Mod Shift Escape. Hotkey overlay, that's interesting, right? Mod is Super Shift Escape. In our application, that's Xkill, that's killing something. Super Shift Escape is you get the cross or the skull, and then you touch something and dead. So here's something else. Mod return, that's interesting. Super enter, okay. Alacrity. Oh, let's make this smaller. So mod return is Alacrity. Mod space is our menu. Mod space, okay. Oh, is browser, okay. And we need to go down the list, right? So control find. Is there Thunar available? No. Is there a file manager available? Here, file manager, Nautilus. Okay. Spawn, mod E. I decide to have Thunar. Save. Mod E, super E. Super E, what is that for us? Let's have a look. Super E is for us the Visual Studio Code. That's what we launch, is an editor. So all kind of different settings, and it's up to you to, well, not follow the Kiro things. You can't follow this, but it needs to become your thing. And that's basically any tiling window manager out there. It needs to become your thing. Do we know enough? Probably not. I'm bad in memory, so we'll see. Log out. Most of the time I don't read anything like that. I just go in and then click on any button to see if something pops up. So Niri is a no-go for QEMU. That's something we realize, unless I did something basically wrong. But it's a black screen. So there's that. Super enter T. Let's go through the alphabets. Okay, no. All right. Still recording. I am. I just went to TTY. Control Alt F. No, it does not want to control F me. Escape, Alt tab, super tab, none of those things. So super shift escape, kill, right? I am always in control. So Niri can be installed. It's next to my machine here, my real metal thing, right? I guess I'll show you there in the next video, but it's not a QEMU thing. It's probably not a VirtualBox thing either, if QEMU can't run it. Shall we quickly ask if we need to do something? Let's do it. Let's do it. It becomes an AI video. So hello. We want to run Niri, Wayland, and QEMU. Anything? What we got? A black screen. Anything? Ooh. Anything we need to change in the QEMU settings? And in the meantime, let's open them and let's look for ourselves. It's still running. It's always strange when it does that. Force off. And then details. It could be this one and maybe this one on. Now, give QEMU a 3D capable Virtuo. So this one, apply. Let's see. No, then we get all that. So, Control Super Print Screen. Copy, Control Shift V. That's what we get then. Set display to spice. We forgot a few things. Set display to spice. OpenGL. That one. Apply. Wow. How complex is all that? Okay. Still this thing. Listen type to nothing. None. Apply. Okay. We'll see. Already something in color. But this is the real test. Okay. We have something. Look at that. This is a menu. That's good to remember. Click in here. Sonar. Nope, can't type. Untypeable, is it? Something is happening. Sonar, okay. Where? And then Super T maybe? No, Super T is floating something. Apply. Yeah. Super arrow. So, voila. Niri is working. But guys, this is all kind of workarounds, right? Do it on a real machine, have a computer stand by and say, okay, let's play with this. And then maybe, right? Are there guys who share Niri .files, examples? Enough guys who have that. The most polished Niri setup. Go and have a look. If you like it, often they leave a link somewhere. The enir.files walkthrough. And more. And here we are, coffee. Give him the support he wants. But this is where you need to get your stuff. And then we get this. Right? So, okay, no problem. But like I said in the previous video, don't start messing with Hyprland and Wayfire and combining all things, right? Choose Niri, choose Hyprland, choose Wayfire, keep them separate. Is for, I think, the less frustration way of going to Hyprland and going to Wayland. Super Q is working here. Super A doesn't do anything. Super X, that's me exploring, right? This is Super W, whatever it does. Super C, Super V, Super P, and I just go through the alphabet, right? Now that was full screen. Super F is also full screen. That's the Q, the quit. I'm quitting things. A. The E is the tuner. R, T. What's T? It floats over it. Right? Behind it, you have something else, but you can't click it. Okay. Super T was that? Tapped probably or something. U, O, that's O, an overview. That's nice. We have here also something. Super O, O. I remember asking this a year ago to Niri. It would be great if we have an overview. Now we have, right? Now we have. Great job, guys. And then Super O again. Super P, nope. Super M, no. And then you go over the Control-Alt. Control-Alt A, Z, E, R, T, Y, O, P, M, L. Super F1. Oh, Super F1 does something. No, not interesting. Super F2, F3. F2 is this. 4, 5, 7, 8. That did something. All changes in Thunar and nothing more. The wallpaper would be nice if we had one, right? It's up to you, guys. It's up to you, entirely up to you. Make the most beautiful Niri on Kiro. Kiri sounds good as well. So make the nicest possible Niri on Kiro. Voila.